Hi Madhavan, hi Omi, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, Madhavan, so far you always had this very sweet boy next door kind of image. This has got to change for you.
Yes, it's about time that I stopped being considered a boy. I'm 41 and I'm hoping that I grow up sometime in the industry. Apart from that, this is a character that I've always tried to invite to get different sort of characters in my stories. This one being no different. Here is a guy with slightly not so white shades with him. And,
Slightly?
Yeah. No, it's not. I mean,
Actually,
unlike
breaking couples, come on, that's quite a change.
yeah, the title somehow has a negative connotation to it, which is what is surprising. We didn't expect it like that. We are actually jodi breakers for people who want to get their jodis broken.
Tell us, what are you doing in the film?
I am just a crazy, shameless sort of character in the film. I'm a womanizer. So all of some of the jodis that he breaks with Bipasha, there's some women that, they're very sad now that they don't have a jodi and they need some comforting. So that's when I come over there and I sort of give them that medicine that they need.
Both of you have worked with some of the hotties in the industry. Tell us, how was it working with Bipasha? Most men who work with her, first, their jaws drop. Did you have the same effect?
No.
No? Okay. So, what was it?
See, first of all, it has been a complete privilege. I won't say it's exotic pleasure because...
Exotic.
Yeah, I'll just say, and I mean it a little more in a better way than that, simply because Bipasha is a lovely person to work with. Best co-star I've had.
So, you think the strange kind of pairing worked?
I was afraid of it.
Unconventional pairing, yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
A good question. I was actually afraid of it, right? Because she's such a diva. She's such a
totally,
she's such
yeah.
an amazingly
Yeah.
fitness person, and we have a dialogue in the film where it says, she is the whole cast of this film is a fitness freak, and she's a fitness, and I'm the freak. I'm anything but fit right now.
Right. In fact, she even said that you were fat, right?
I am.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
did she give you come on, hit the treadmill and work out?
Well, she tried her best. We did all we could in Greece, and she came back about 1.5 kilos heavier than I.
But this Chatur character really worked for you.
Yeah.
But now when you're going here in Bollywood, is it a deterrent, or people try to typecast you in that kind of role, or do you think it's worked for you?
People might think that's a limit, but in there I have been able to do quite a few different sorts of characters. This is one that I've, such a womanizer, it's very different. And rather than thinking it as typecast or anything, I think, there's maybe a hole that hasn't been fulfilled in Bollywood, and I'm satisfying that need.
Similarly, there's a scene in this film which is, involves a speech by him. And almost
Oh, you have a speech again in this one?
Yeah, we have a
Wow.
speech again in this film in a different context.
Okay.
But I'm not ashamed about having to put something like that with Omi in it at all because it works. It works, and the audience like it. My job is to entertain. My job is not to pat myself and to say I came up with something new. And if somebody's paying to see my film with a certain amount of money, then it's my duty to give them what is worth. And if they're coming there to see Omi to speak a dialogue which he's not supposed to speak correctly, so be it.
And I have done other stuff and I will do other stuff. But when I do a speech, whether it's Three Idiots or some other speech, I mean, and it works so well and people just watch it again and again. How can I just...
Not do it.
Not
yeah,
do
it's
it,
just
yeah.
so
I mean, you
enjoyable.
really use this accent well because, it's worked to your advantage, the accent that you have.
Well, I mean, it is my accent. It's not, I
I
can't...
mean, does anyone ever ridicule you or make fun of you because of your accent?
People have ridiculed me since I was growing up. I just get paid for it.
Nice one, buddy.
Okay. You don't do as many Bollywood films.
I don't do as many Tamil films either. I've
You
always
don't do
done.
as many films.
Yeah, I don't. I'm quite a lazy actor, actually.
Okay.
Maddie. So I've done maybe one film a year in both languages in the past 6 years. Before that, I did a bevy of films. I've done almost 48 films right now. This would probably be the 50th, I think, in 10 years, which is quite a lot. But the point is, I've realized over a period of time, having nobody in the industry to advise me correctly, that one has to, work on every aspect of one's film. Unlike Hrithik Roshan or Salman, I don't have a physique that I can entice the audience with or my dancing. So I need to do that with my story and my casting. So it's a fight, I had to wait for Bipasha because I thought she was best for that. I had to wait for Kangana because
We really should recommend you for the role, Bipasha.
in the beginning, yes.
Okay.
She did suggest to the director that they should talk to me. It's a long process, It's so easy for me to take up 4 films, make my money, but not feel really good about myself.
It was great talking to the two of you, and really hope you'll break a lot more juries with a lot of success. Thank you so much for being on our show.
Thank you
Thank you
very
so
much.
much. Thank you.